plan. First, change the layer to sanitary layer. Now we need to add these items to sanitary layer. Select them like this and select sanitary. Now press escape to remove selection. First, we will start with bathroom. We should try to place WC to the corner of a bathroom. Through this we got a wall to the side of WC where water jet and water cap can be placed easily. Having a wall to the side of WC makes everything easy. Copy WC. Place it at a distance 1 feet from wall for an easy sitting position. Now press escape to end command. Now place the tap here. Press escape. Then place the water jet. So this is the water jet for WC. Press escape. And now we will place drainage screen below the tap. Press escape. Select this, type M, enter. You might be thinking why we are placing all the items of a bathroom with such a great detail. This is because we have to generate a plumbing and wastewater pipe plan as well for the bathroom. So we have to fix the location of bathroom, WC, taps and drainage screen so that we can prepare the plan later on with great precision. Generally, the shower area should be kept to the end side of the bathroom for less water spreading all over the bathroom. Place the shower at 1 feet 6 inches from the wall. Place the hot and cold water tap below the shower. Generally, the bathroom flow slope is kept away from the door to the extreme corner of a bathroom so that entry point of bathroom will remain straight. Place a drainage screen at the corner. Above this screen, we will place the shelf where soap and shampoos will be placed. Opposite to it, we will place rod hanging handle. Its general size is 2 feet. It has been seen that majority of water spillages during a bath, so to counteract, generally we place a plastic curtain at the distance of 3 feet from the wall so that water does not spill in the entire bathroom area. The best location for wash basin will be next to the door on this wall. Standard size of wash basin is 16 inches. Here we have the soap holder and here we have the napkin holder.